So the mistakes that a man makes in this is the father walks into court. He thinks that he can show he's a good guy. Maybe he got a lawyer that had really great Yelp reviews, but they don't have experience in these types of cases. The attorney just says, oh man, you just go in, you tell the truth, we'll get past this. Any false accusations are a big deal. And if your attorney says they're not, you should probably find a new attorney. Now the dad walks in there thinking that he can just prove that she's a liar and that's good enough. So he produces all this evidence, or what he thinks is evidence, to show that she is a liar and that she would be lying about this. He brings up her friends. Maybe her own mother agrees to testify against her. You bring in the arsenal of character witnesses to say that you're good, she's bad, and that she's lying. And above all, the dad thinks he's a great father. And guess what? None of this is the right way to do it. In many cases with that, the judge will not care and see it as you wasting their courtroom time because you're not following the process of a false accusation, something like a temporary protective order or temporary restraining order. Now, what the judge is more likely going to care about are these three things. Did the event happen? Did the false accusation happen? Did it or didn't it? And this is a horrible argument, but so many of us are in these shoes. If you can prove that that exact event couldn't have happened, meaning that the accusations had a specific time, date, situation, and you have proof that you were somewhere else or video of the entire thing, there's not 5 minutes missing. If you have strong witness testimony, hopefully not coming from friends or family, but from a third party that was around you the whole time without any time missing, you can then make an argument that that event didn't happen. You need to understand that is the first and most important argument that you need to have there. The crappy thing is with false accusations, oftentimes there isn't a set time or date, and then it makes it impossible to argue that. And if the court accepts that claim, you're actually arguing against something that could have happened just any old time. This is really tricky, and like I said, we're gonna get to the solution for this. The next point that you wanna make in all of this, whether you can prove that you didn't do it or not, is that you are a functional parent. And this is one of the problems. So everybody wants to say that she's a liar and she's a bad parent, but it's not actually an argument of whether or not she's a good parent or not. This case isn't about that. It's not determining whether she's good or bad. It's determining whether you are guilty or innocent. And actually, that's the wrong term. It's really to assume if this could have happened and you're a potential danger or not.